Got this new Ryobi ONE 18-volt quick charging 1.5 amp hour battery in at least 45 minutes. Displays charge status. ONE+ compatibility 3. This is plugged in. We have two lights, red and it would be green. It's yellow, but one's off. So that's this indicator here, which is either no battery or it's waiting for the battery's temperature to become correct. Battery's too hot or too cold, or no battery. If you have both of them blinking, something's wrong with the battery. If you have the green one blinking, it's charging, and if the green yellow one is solid, it's charged. Checking everything out. Red blinking. And I already had it charged, so you can see that one is charged. Just use this to blow off the yard. It went down. Let's plug it in. Checking out the temperature. Still waiting for it to cool down. Okay. Temperature checks okay. Now, green light on the right, nothing on here. On the left side is charging. We'll wait till it's charged. And it's finished. Took about 45 minutes.